Hello. Today we're talking about a big shift happening inside engineering teams. AI native systems are changing how software and infrastructure are built and managed. This is not just another tool in the DevOps stack. Autonomous systems are starting to replace many traditional operational tasks. For leadership teams, the key question is simple. How quickly can you realign your teams before competitors do? Traditional infrastructure focused on automation and reliable software delivery. But autonomous systems can now detect issues, diagnose problems, and even deploy fixes on their own. AI coding agents are also merging code and managing development workflows automatically. The result? Many traditional operational tasks are disappearing, while demand for AI evaluation and system design skills is growing. This transition creates pressure for organizations. Leaders must decide how to retrain teams, which roles remain critical, and which skills become less important. At the same time, top engineers want to work on modern systems, not legacy operations. Here are 4 practical steps to realign your team. AI can generate infrastructure code instantly. Engineers should focus on system design and risk management, not manual scripting. Teams must test and evaluate AI-generated infrastructure before it reaches production. Create small teams where engineers design platform rules while AI tools handle implementation work. AI can deploy constantly, so metrics must shift toward resilience, security, and recovery speed. Organizations that succeed in this transition are already restructuring their teams for an AI-driven future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.